Hi everyone. Oh, you look like you're the only one here. That's why you're counting. How are you? Are you okay? Are you excited to go back to school? You're the only one here today. Hi, it's only me. I know it's only you. There were lots of people during lockdown. Sorry, during half term, not lockdown. We still have the lockdown going on, what I'm saying. No? There were so many of you. I just came back. Did you? That's so good of you. I know there are really less people these days. They don't like to join. I think so. There's someone on Facebook saying hi. How's everyone doing? It's Amelia. Hi, Amelia. How are you? That's why I was also avoiding to come on live because I can't see so many of you waiting for me. So I was like, okay, let me postpone it. Let me postpone another day. Let's see if anybody will be there for us. So I was just waiting for you guys to come live and say hi to me if you guys can say hi. Yesterday was a really nice day. Yesterday we had the results for everyone going for secondary schools now, and we did really good. ALT did really well. The kids in ALT, they really got really good results. Yeah, someone else is here. I have Akshit. Akshit is here. They are coming. So I was telling you guys, we had really good result yesterday. We had so many kids passed from ALT and from YouTube also. I mean, last year all the YouTubers were all the kids who used to join for YouTube Live used to come, and they also did really well. So next year will be you guys who'll be giving me a good result. It's so funny. So many of you come, and when they get the results, nobody remembers me. I feel so sad. Only my ALT kids were there who said thank you to me yesterday, and one two three from YouTube said thanks because they did really well, and after that nobody else even thanked me at all. I was so sad, and I was thinking I'm helping you guys so much and nobody even thanks me. So sad now. Maybe that's life, no? So how you guys doing? I hope you guys be you remember me when you get your results. Anyway, I'm in year 5. Yeah, you'll be giving this year then. Now you guys are thanking me. You know what we're doing today? What are you guys doing today? Any idea? I'm in year 5. That's good. You're in year 5. Ow, my hands. What did I do with my hands? We're doing maths today, yeah. Do you like maths or you don't like maths? Congratulations, Ashima. Oh, thank you. Somebody congrats me for a change. That's good. You love maths. You like maths. That's really good. You like maths. I think so. Comprehension is the one nobody likes. When I do comprehension, I get so many dislikes because all of you hate comprehensions. My son is in year 5. That's good, Ritu. Tomorrow I'll be doing a live for your parents because I had a lot of members requesting me about how to appeal if they didn't get the school and how does the waiting list work. So tomorrow would be the live for the parents. I'll be telling them after you guys don't get the school, then what's the procedure of doing appeals, and what's the procedure for waiting list. All that stuff I'll be discussing tomorrow with your parents and other members for uh, for secondary school preferences. So let's, I know a lot of you are here now, so we can start sharing the screen and you all can give me the answers and let's do some work now. Let me share the screen with you guys. Oh, Neem, I was thinking you're asking me, are you a boy or a girl? And I said, oh my God, what's happening to the kids? No? So we can start sharing the screen with you guys and we can start doing some work so that all of you get something creative. Not creative, something good. So let's share the screen with you guys. Let's do it. Hide myself. I don't want myself to be there. Hide me. Is there any prizes? Yes, there might be prizes. I might surprise you guys if you do well. Last week we had given lots of free online tests. There were 4 5 of you who got last week online test for giving the right answers. So remember that if you give me the right answers, you would be the one who might get something good. Did I get it? I don't think so. You got it. Can we practice some algebra, please? Yeah, we might do it next week, but this week I have, this is a mixture of all, everything maths for you guys. So let's get started now. You need to give me the answers now, all of you. Get ready. The first one is Jerry has a bag of counters. Inside his bag are two blue, four green, five red, and nine yellow counters. Cherry is going to take a counter at random from his bag. So you don't know which one he'll take. He can just take randomly any one. Write down the correct colors to complete the box. The possibility that it will be dash is zero point 0.2. So you need to count how many counters are there. There are 2, 4, 5, 9. 9 plus 5 is 14. And 14 plus 4 is 18. And 18 plus that is 20. So try doing it 2 by 20. Simplify that and see what you get. Then the same thing, keep on doing, and then you can get the answer. What do you think the probability will be for zero point 0.2? Josh is not here. Josh is really clever in maths. He is here with us from almost a year now. So what do you think the answer could be? For the first one? Yes, Him, you got a right one. Is green for the first one. And what about the second one? You got the first one right. So your first one is, I won't write the full, I'll just write G for green. So what do you think would be the answer for the second one now? And the questions what you guys are doing, these questions are made by ALT. So if you guys join ALT, if you are really thinking of joining any tuition, just come for ALT. We make our own question answers and we have become partnership with 11 plus help to success. We'll be making a lot of books now. We made 2 books. So our next book, which is coming next month, maybe, is your maths book. So what do you think the answer could be for the next one? Let's go back to work now. The probability that it will not be dash is 3/4. It's not B. Good. The next one is red. I'll take Gayatri's one now. So the next one is red. I am looking who's giving me the right answers till now. Keep giving the answers. You might be one of the lucky winners. Who knows that? So let's move on to the next one. I need to rub this out so you guys don't get confused. Now you need, oh, I don't need this hand. Now you need to find out the probability. It will be dash or dash is 70%. So you need two of them, which are dash and dash. So this one was green, as I remember. This one was red. And the next, you guys are going to give me the rest two answers now. Shaurya is still waiting for the certificate. Shaurya, I send you, not certificate, I send you the online test if you remember, instead of the certificate. I thought I'll give you something better than a certificate. No? So you need to remember there are two of them, dash and dash. Yellow and red. Any other? It's red and yellow. Yes, you guys are so clever. It is red and yellow. It's two of them. It's red and yellow. So let's do that. Red and Y for your lovely yellow. When we were small, we used to have so many rhymes for yellow, yellow, dirty fellow. You guys must have heard that. And it's another naughty one. If you want me to say the naughty one, I can say that for you guys. It's yellow, yellow, something, something. So let's put yellow and red for you guys. All of you got this one right, and this was an easy one. Let's move on to the birthdays now. Anybody's birthday is coming? You know, guys, exactly after a month, today is the 2nd. On the 2nd of April, it's Ishita's birthday. So we might do something on that day. This is her second birthday in lockdown. I can't believe it. She's having her birthdays continuously in lockdowns. So let's see the next one now. In this question, you need to know. So they are saying that Joe's birthday is on 5th of June. Sanjay's birthday is exactly 3 weeks after Joe's birthday. On what date is Sanjay's birthday? So remember 3 weeks. So you need to know the date after 3 weeks when is his birthday. This is the easy one. You all can do that. You can calculate when his birthday would be. It's exactly 3 weeks. It's 26th of June. Your birthday is the day after, 3rd of April. Thank God Ishita is not born on April Fool. Nobody would have believed that her birthday is on 1st of April. So this is his birthday is on 20. Oh, my two legs looks horrible. 26th of June. I should write the full one now. I'm getting too lazy today. I don't know why. I'll rub this out and write it for you guys. No more lazy. 26th of June. I have written for you guys. It's exactly 3 weeks after that one. My birthday is on 26th June. Is it? So we are writing your birthday, Gayatri. No? So let's move on to the next one now. I think so. That's not Gayatri. That's oh, that's a Mish's learning tuition sign there. So let's do a number B now. Number B is Tina's birthday is 5 months after Joe's birthday. On which month is Tina's birthday? Remember, Sanjay's birthday was on 26th June and Joe's birthday was on the 5th of June. And the next one they're asking you is Tina's birthday is 5 months. So you need to calculate 5 months from the first birthday, what we guys did. The first birthday is 5th of June. 5 months from 5th of June. So which month is her birthday? Let me zoom in a little bit for you guys and see it. So what did you guys get for this one? So his birthday is exactly on the something November, yes. They're just asking you the month. Remember, they're not asking you the date. So just try writing, just look at the question what they're asking you and just write that down. So they're just asking you the month. If they're asking you the month, it will be only November. It won't be 26th November or something like that. Just try writing November, all of you. In which month is Tina's birthday? They're just asking you the month. So the month would be November. I'm thinking about to do this one because this one is little hard one. I'll leave number 3 because I don't want you guys to do something so hard. So I'll move on to the next page. Oh, number 4 is down. I'm leaving number 3 and I'm going to. I love train timing. So I'll go to the train timings for you guys. Now, number 4. Hi, Josh. I was just telling them Josh is really clever in maths. If Josh would have been here, he would have answered you like hard one. Maybe we'll do the hard one next week. So let's do something easy because we have some year fours also today. Okay, try doing this one now. In a school, lessons are 55 minutes long. A maths lesson starts at 9:15 a.m. and they're asking you what time does the lesson end. So basically they're asking you at what time does the lesson end. So you need to tell me the time after 9:15. Just calculate 15 more minutes after that and then you all tell me the time for it. Josh has got it right. Divya has also got it right. It's 10:10. So let's do 10:10 here. 10 and 10. So the time for the lesson when it start is 10. It finishes, sorry, not start. Its starting time is 9:15 and it finishes at 10:10. So let's move on to the next one. B now. Now they're telling you they have made you guys little confused. Let me zoom in for you guys so you all can see what they're doing. In this, they have said that the lunch breaks 1 and 1/4 hours long. Lunchtime ends at 1:30. And what are they asking you now? At what times does it start? Mm-hmm. Andre has given me the right answer. Again, Josh has given me the right answer. Are you guys giving me the answer for the second one? No, your answers are wrong, guys. It's not 12:15. Oh, yeah. Okay, okay, sorry. That's 12:15. There's one missing. That's why I was getting confused. That's my mistake. You have one missing here. Try doing that one now. This one you all have got the answer right. It's 12:15. Try doing the B part of this. And the ones who don't know how to do it is an easy way. It's a 24-hour clock. You need to remember that. And then you just need to try to do it. And if we do it, remember it's 1/4. You can just do it. How did you guys do this? I just want to see your working out. If you guys can show me the working for this one. For C, any of you the working out for this one? Because some of you would be confused. It's not it's it's not incomplete. If you look at this as a continuity of the previous one, what we guys did. In the previous one, you already know when the lesson starts. The lesson starts at 9:15 and it ends at 10:10 a.m. So this is the time the lesson ends. And the next part they are saying a lesson ends at 3:30. What time does it start? So you have to do it with the continuity of the previous one for this one. So it's not incomplete. Good. 1/4 hour is 75 minutes. This is something I wanted you guys to know that. If something like this is written, 1/4 hour is 75 minutes. So you just need to do that way. And true? Josh, there are different ways of doing it. How did you do? So your answer for number B is 2:35. We did B first, oh sorry, C first, and then we did this one. So it's 2:35 for this one. And remember this, the best way of doing if you have 1/4, just try doing it 75 minutes. And they said the break ends at 1:30 and the break is 75 minutes long. So you just need to calculate how much time do you start. You need to go backwards and then find your answer, what the kids here have done. She got so confused. It's fine. So let's go on to the next one now. Number 5. You need to complete. A sports center has different clubs. 22 children go to the gym club. Complete the pentagon. How would you do that? There are 20. There are 22. Uh, there are 22 children, and this is the number of children given to you guys. So this is the number of boys. Let's see how many boys. 4 4 8. 8 plus 4 12. 12 plus 2. There must be 14 boys. So you need to calculate how many girls are there. Too smelly. Yeah, two symbols. So should I make two symbols for you? Let's see my drawing. Oh my god, my drawing is horrible. Let me just make it. One. You need to have eyes also. Ow. They are bad. I'll just make round faces. My drawings are the worst one. They made a dot and they made something like this. Dot, something like this. One looks bigger than the other one. Let's move on to the next one now. Another one. Oh god, I don't like making smelly faces, smiling faces, and things like that. I will need to zoom this one for you guys. In this one, they are saying that there are 10 more girls than boys go to swimming pool. Complete the key. This thing equals to children. There are 10 more girls than boys. So they're asking you complete the key. How would you guys do this one? I want to see how clever you all are. What's the answer for number B? 5. Good. So the answer for this one would be 5. So let's move on to the next one. Number 6 now. Look at the information about recycling. 25 large plastic bottles can be recycled to make one place jacket. Write the missing numbers in the sentence. 200 large plastic bottles can be recycled to make how many fills jacket? So remember, one can make 25. So how many can make 200? 200 bottles can make how many? Akshay, the answer is wrong. Now you did it right. I'll write the vias now. It's 8. So basically, you needed to divide that and then see your answer. Let's move on to the next one now. The next one is in a survey, 9 out of 10 people said they could like to recycle more. What percentage of people said they would like to recycle more? So you need to tell me how much is the percentage of people who said that they want to recycle more. Let's see if you guys are writing the answer. 90%. Good. That was an easy one, wasn't it? So here you got your answer. It's 90%. Number 7 now. And I will zoom in. How many of you like bus timings or train timings? This is for you guys then. Let me remove the previous one for you guys. The table shows the distance and mileage along the railway line from Shrewsbury to some other station. So they're asking you what's the distance between Shrewsbury and Village Pool. So basically, what are you guys doing in this one? You're just working out the difference between this place to this place. That's an easy one. You know how it is. So all of you can just do it in a minute. It's 20 miles for this one. Good. So the first one is easy, is 20. Second one is from Wellspool to Brun, from here to here. What's the distance between 20 miles? You just find out the difference between 20 minus 73 and then you'll get your answer. 53 miles. Yes, all of you are getting the answer right. Done. Sure is done, all of them. Josh is also done. So the next one is 53 miles. Let me see what else they're asking us. I'll put the map here for you guys. Sorry, the table is still here. So you need to find the third one now. And in the third one, they're asking you what is the distance between Bonn and. So they're asking you the distance between these two now. First one was 20. If you guys have recently joined, so I'll tell the answers. First one is 20. Second one is 53. And don't forget to write the miles here. Because if you guys forget to write the miles, you won't get marks. So what's the third one? The third one is 9 miles. Good. The third one is 9 miles. I'll wait for a second for others to finish it so we can move on to the next one now. So let's move on to the next one. I think so there's one part is on the down. So next part looks like it's about your distance, speed and time. Let's see how many of you know the formula of this. A coach travels 300 miles at an average of 440 mph. How much hours does it travel? So you are basically finding time in this, and you are given your speed and you're given your distance. So you are given two things. So remember the formula where you guys you are going to use is 7.5. So basically you are dividing them. You're just dividing 300 divided by 40. So we are just dividing 300 by 40, 0 to 0 gone, 30 by 4, you just do that, and then you will get your answer as 7.5. Good guys, let's move on to the next one now. Part B in this one. Try remembering your formulas for distance, speed, and time. The next one is you are given an aeroplane flies 1816 miles in 4 hours. So you're given time and you need to find its average speed. You need to find average speed in this one. So how would you do that? Let's see who got the right answer for this one now. 465. Good, Aksharit. That's a nice one. Good. You remembered how to do that. It's 465 mph is 4. Can you write down the formula? Which one did you use? Because remember, you're given the time, you have given the speed, and you're finding the distance in this one basically. So you're finding the average speed. So let's move on to the next one. Anyone found the formulas now? You're just dividing, you are just dividing 1860 divided by 4. So you're just dividing 1 1860 divided by 4. Then you will get your answer as 465. That's your answer. Let me zoom in part B for you guys. Now you have to do part B now. A train travels 2.5 hours on an average speed of 24. How much time does the bus travels? 50 miles. You look like all of you are copying each other. No, it's not 3. It's not 3600. I'm not getting any right answer. I'm just waiting if anybody can give me the right answer for this one. It's not 50 miles for sure. It's something else for this one. If you all can give me the right answer, first try doing 2.5 hours is yes, Josh, you got it right. Well done, Josh. It's 60 mph. Josh, can you also tell them in writing? Can you tell them the formula you use for this? So I can put the formula for these guys. You are given hours and you are given speed. How much does the bus travel? So you need to find out how much the bus travel. That's 60. I'm waiting for Josh to give me the formula he used so I can tell you guys in this you're supposed to find your distance. Good, Josh. So this is how he did. It's 24 times 2.5. That's the way he did it. And then he got the answer as 60. Remember in this one, you guys are finding distance. Concrete could travel 1 kilometers every 2 seconds. How many kilometers per hour is that? So you need to tell me how many kilometers is that? He travels 1 kilometer in every 2 seconds. How many kilometers per hour does he travel? Remember, 1 kilometer every 2 seconds It does not use single unit of time. So here we got the right answer now. Again, Josh has given you guys the right answer. It's 1800. Because you are finding in 2 seconds. First, you need to find 1 second and then you have to find this other second. Because it's 15 kilometers in 30. That's why you guys did 30 kilometers is every minute. This is what you guys did. I know this is the mistake you guys did. So the answer for this one is 1800. That's the answer for this one. Oh, wait, we have another one here. Let's see which one it is. Now we have age problems. Let's see who likes ratio now. Little bit of ratio for you guys now. Here you go. Paul is 14 years old. His sister is exactly 6 years younger. So this year, she would be how many years? This year, she will be 8 years old. This year, the ratio of Paul's age of his sister's age is 14 as a ratio 8. 14 as 8 is written as a simple form as 7 ratio 4. If Paul is 21, what will the ratio of Paul's age to his sister's age? Write the ratio in the simplest form. So you have to write this ratio in the simplest form. Try first writing the same way like they did in the top one. Look at what they have done here. They have made them the ratio of Paul's sister is 14 by 8 and they have simplified that and they have written 7 by 4 because she's also younger than him. So how would you write that down? 7 by 5 or 7 by 4. No, it's 7 by 5 is the exact one. All of you are giving the right answer. So it's 7 by 5 is the continuity of the same one what you guys are doing. And in this, they have said that when his sister is 36, what will the ratio of Paul's age to his sister's age? Write the ratio in the simplest form. Remember that his sister is for when Paul is 14, his sister is 6 years younger than him, she's 8. And now if she is he when his sister is 36, Paul would be 6 years elder to him because she's younger, he's elder, and you have to write the ages in the simplest form. Good is 706. That will be his sister's age. Paul's age, sorry. 7 and 6. Could the ratio of the ages ever be 707? 7 ratio 7? You don't need to explain your answer, just tell me yes or no. No. Good. So his sister will be never be their age. Their age will never be 7 and 7. So your answer for this one definitely will be a no. Oh, why I'm going to take a yes. So let's go to the Russian dolls now. How many of you like Russian dolls? You must have seen these dolls. So we have given the height of these dolls. The height of the Russian dolls are in the ratio 4, 6, and 7. In the set of dolls, the height of the middle doll is 9 centimeters. What are the heights of the other dolls? So what do you think it could be? I have in the middle, you have the 9. What's the smallest one and what's the tallest one? You need to add these up and divide it by 3. That's the way how you guys find the ratio. So where will I write the smallest one? What do you think is the smallest one first? If you want to do it, let's do this together. What's the smallest one? So we'll add them up. 4 plus 10, 17. So numbers are coming in 17 divided by 3. So they are coming in decimal something. Yeah, 10.5 is 6 centimeters is the smallest, and 10.5 is the biggest one. So I'll write 6 here and 10.5 here. Well done, everyone. This is what we are doing. Let's move on to the next page now. Let's do the next one now. In the next one, what are they asking? Sorry, I just removed the question. In this, they are saying in another set of dolls, the height of the tallest doll is 9 centimeters. What are the heights of the other dolls? Sure, you're working out in one decimal place. So it's the continuity of this one. This is given to you, the ratio. And in this, they are saying the tallest doll is 9 centimeters. The tallest one is 9. So what's the smallest and the middle one here? So what do you think you would write here now? So what's the smallest one here and what's the 7 point? Yes. You guys are giving 1.3 if you round that. It's 7.8. And the next one would be you just need to calculate 9 by 7 and then get your answer. You get a round figure that will be 1.3 when you round that, and then you multiply 1.3 divided by, sorry, multiply by 4. That gives you guys 5.2, and the other one would be 1.3 multiplied by 6. That gives you 7.8. So it'll be, what is your correct answer? So your correct answer would be 5.1 and 7.7. So your answer for this one would be 5.1 and 7.7. Or you could do another way. You could divide 9 divided by 7 multiplied by 4.1. Then you could divide that by 7 multiplied by 6. That gives you 9 by 7. It's lot of working out in this one. Lot and lot. So let's go to the measurements now. Let's rub all this. This is an easy one. Take the best estimate for each of the following. The height of a door. What do you think could be the height of the door? How would you say the height of the door? Yes, height of the door would be 2 meters. And then the next one is the length of a pen. That could be 14 centimeters. So here we have it, 2 meters and 14. I'll just wait for some others to do it. Then we'll move on to the next one. The third one now. The distance between Leeds and Manchester. What do you think could be the distance? 64 kilometers. Good. The next is now a distance again. This table shows a distance between some towns. You need to calculate the distance in miles. Which two towns are the shortest distance from each other? So you need to look at which town are the shortest distance between each other. For this one, you need to look. This is a distance from here to here, here to here. You look like this, and then, or you look like this. Some of you get really confused with these ones. There are two places. You're giving me one. Try giving two. All in Bangor. No. Yes. So let me write down which is the distance. I'll just put it at the lab so the others can keep working on the other one. So the distance between Hall is here, and Bangor is here. So distance between these two places are the ones which are Mr. Davis drove from Bangor to Exeter. I don't know, the names are so funny. What's the distance between Bangor and Exeter? So you're finding the distance between Bangor and this place, Bangor to Exeter, Exeter, whatever it is, between this place. So what do you think the distance is? 289. Good. Good, Divya. Is 289. So let's move it little up for you guys. The next they're asking, I'm just reading the question, then I'll go back. I'll show you the graph in a while when you guys read this one. Then Mr. Mason drove from Exeter to Dover. Now she drove from Exeter, from here to here, from Exeter to Dover. She drove from here to here. So you need to find out the distance between here to here. So this is the last one for today we are doing. So I'll just write down for the ones who did, it's B and H for these two. And for this one, all of you got the right answer was what you guys did. 248. 248 miles. That's good. And the last one, 289. Good. All of you got it. Really nice. Good, all of you. Let me show you something today before I move on. Did you see that? That was so interesting. Can you hear me now? As a well done, everyone. All of you did really well today, and it was really nice. What? What? You can't hear me. What was that? Oh, okay. What was that? I thought you guys can't hear me again. Can you hear me now? That was, I'll show you again. Do you want me to show you again? What was that? See it now? It'll come again. You saw it. It also had your old video, what you guys never watched before. I did not receive the paper. Sorry, what paper? Try using your junks. See, it comes on the side. Welcome,
Welcome
everyone.
everyone.
Ma'am, I did. You did. That's good. You should try. I did not receive the paper. You should try. You must have not sent me your email. If you guys send me your email, there's no paper. There was an online test. You were supposed to do the online test. That was cool. Was it? Who won the prize? All of you did really well today. So I won't give any prizes today. I'll say send you my email. Send you. Did you send me your email? Just send it again because something is wrong with that email. I remember Josh also sent me two emails. Then I received the first one. I could not send him in the first one. Why? Uh, how many of you are here today? Choose one person. You want me to choose one person? Let me see. Who can I choose? Who didn't get any? Just raise your hand. Just send me a smiley. If you guys send me a smiley, I'll choose any one of you then. Send me a smiley. I'll close my eyes and I'll point one name and I'll see which one it is will get the prize. One from Facebook and one from YouTube. I think so. There's nobody on Facebook now. Send me a smile. Just try your smileys and I'll see who I can choose. Should I close my eyes to choose one winner? Okay. Here you go. Winner, winner, winner. Winner would be on the screen, guys. I'm not looking. Good waves using. I need only smileys. Whose name is there? Who was it? Oh, it's Hem Patel. She got it today. So she sent me a lot of smileys. So he needs to send me his email address to receive what? Is there anybody from YouTube? Oh, sorry, Facebook now. That's the email address you need to send me. Don't send. You're on your phone. You can send me smileys. Don't worry. Everybody will win prizes here. Divya is the only one on Facebook. I'm looking, there's anybody else on Facebook except one. I can see only one person on Facebook. Okay, no worries. Facebook, also I got it. Here you go. Divya also needs to send me the email. So I choose one from Facebook and I choose one from YouTube. So these two people won the prizes today. Twing. Akshit, don't get upset. You might be the next one. Okay, Akshit, because of your so many your faces, your not smiley faces, and you also have given me a lot of right answers. You can also send me your email. So again, I got three people this week. The first one is him, second is Divya, and third is Akshit. So the three of you will send me your emails. Akshit, give me a smiley face now. So I've given you. Now you can't make me you can't give me that faces. Now you should give me a smiley face now. Email address for you guys to send me. The three people for today will send me. Gosh, come on. You got it last week, last to last week. Do we send you our name? Yes, your name and your email address. Then I'll send you the link. So we got three of you today. Well then, guys, and this is for Josh. Look at his faces, the one he's made. So many of them. Okay, guys, let's off it for today. Well done, everyone. You guys did really well today. Don't forget to like the video before you guys go. And we'll tomorrow I'll come live, but tomorrow I'll be just telling your parents how to we send you your our name. Your name? Our name. Yeah. You need to send me the name. Bye everyone. And don't forget to like the video if you guys have not done that yet. Yeah. And always try to come live whenever I'm here so you can win more prizes. Thank you, everyone.